Welcome to TiPS, Today in Public Safety, your go-to podcast for today's breaking stories in public safety news. Here's your host, Fletch, with today's tips.
Hey, it's Fletch. I'm Vice President of Public Safety Solutions at 911 Inform. Welcome to TiPS for Wednesday, December 11th, 2024. As things start to wind down for the holidays, I'm going to wrap it up with some of my favorite top 5 lists for the year. So here's my list of top 5 advances in next generation 911 AI technology for 2024. Number 5, automated data integration with first responders. AI systems are now starting to streamline the delivery of multimedia data, for example, video, photos, and floor plans, to first responders. This organizes and highlights critical information in real time, ultimately ensuring that first responders arrive better informed and prepared. The impact? Improved decision-making and operational efficiency during emergency responses. Number 4, caller sentiment and stress analysis. AI tools are now able to assess the emotional state of callers by analyzing voice tones, speech patterns, and key words. These key highlights help dispatchers prioritize calls and provide better guidance to callers who are stressed or disoriented. The impact is improved caller interaction as well as faster prioritization of critical emergencies. Number 3, predictive analytics for resource deployment. Predictive AI models can now analyze historical data, traffic patterns, and environmental conditions, and are able to forecast emergencies. Dispatchers can now use these insights to pre-position resources, ultimately reducing response times during peak demand. The overall impact? More efficient use of resources and proactive emergency management. Number 2, sound recognition and background analysis. AI systems are able to detect and identify background noises like gunshots, alarms, or distress sounds during calls. These highlights can enable emergency responders and call takers to gauge the severity and type of incidents in real time. The expected impact? Enhanced situational awareness and quicker response times. And my pick for the number 1 advancement in NG911 AI technology for 2024, real-time language translation for emergency calls. AI-powered translation tools can now provide instantaneous translation of well over 100 languages during 911 calls, ensuring accessibility for non-English speakers. This advancement helps call takers and first responders accurately assess emergencies without language barriers, with the impact being increased inclusivity and improved communications and accuracy during emergencies. While some people may be afraid of AI technology, public safety is in a staffing crisis with much higher workloads and more data being presented. AI shouldn't be looked at as a replacement for humans in the process, but as an assistive device that allows public safety to be more efficient and proactive when every second counts. If you've got a top 5 list that you want to hear about, just leave it in the comments, and we'll be back to the regular news cycle after the holidays. Thanks so much for listening, and if you're in public safety, thanks for what you do. We'll catch you on Friday with another top 5 list for 2024.
You've been listening to TiPS, Today in Public Safety, your go-to podcast for today's breaking stories and public safety news. Hosted by Fletch and available every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Catch past episodes, transcripts, and show notes with source links for each article on 911tips.com. That's 911tips.com. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to join us each week for the latest on NG911. I am Spider Harrison, the official 911 voiceover dude. Catch me on Sirius XM on various channels, including 90s on 9, the 10 spot, and on the Weekend Countdown on Hits 1. Or don't, regret it for the rest of your life. Either way, I'm good. TiPS is brought to you by 911 Inform, the leading next-generation 911 solution for enterprise compliance with federal 911 regulations. Visit them on the web at 911inform.com. 911 Inform, making every second count when it matters the most.